Welcome to Kyoto!
Last night we took a Shinkansen from Tokyo to Kyoto, and today we are going to explore the beautiful city of Kyoto.
Hi guys, good morning from Kyoto. Today is our first day in Kyoto. आज हम Arashiyama Bamboo Forest जाने वाले हैं. One advice for you guys, go as early as possible. Early morning जाओगे तो आपको crowd नहीं देखने मिलेगा, वरना बहुत ज़्यादा crowd होगा.
Like Tokyo, यहाँ पे आपको internal travel, tram, subway, metro से ही करना है. You get an unlimited one-day pass at the metro station, which gives you access to the Randon Railway and the subway for 24 hours up till the last train. So that is the most convenient form of traveling, where you don't need to buy a ticket every time.
We have reached the beautiful town of Arashiyama. This is the tram that we got off from. This is the Arashiyama station. हिल स्टेशन वाइब्स आ रहा है, बहुत मस्त लग रहा है. द वेदर इज ऑल्सो प्लेजेंट.
Once you're in Kyoto, there's a lot to see, and in fact make sure that you keep at least 2 days in Kyoto, because Kyoto is big. It's the cultural capital of Japan, and this is where you'll actually see the culture very closely here in Japan. Tokyo is more of a city, Kyoto is more of a late, chill vibe. Once you're here, everything else is pretty much walking distance. The bamboo forest, Tenryuji temple. So the first spot that we've come is Tenryuji temple. Inside Tenryuji temple is the Michelin guide pure vegetarian Zen restaurant called Shigetsu. We've booked a reservation for the lunch here. We're going to try the lunch here, which is a 5-course meal, and I'm pretty excited to try that. You need to make a prior reservation before you come here. You cannot just walk in. You need to have a reservation before you come in here.
This is a traditional Japanese style tatami restaurant where you have to fold your legs and sit on the ground to have your meals. It is so beautiful. It is surrounded by the pond, and it already feels very zen-like, as the name suggests.
Chop でこうつまんでつけてディップで食べる。Okay?
Okay.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you. This looks so amazing. This is a 5-course meal with hot pot, green tea, some appetizers. I don't know what this is, and rice. So authentic, so Japanese. Loving it, loving the experience. Must try if you're here in Tenryuji. It is so good.
Wow man, बहुत अमेजिंग मील था. वी हैड सो मच फन हैविंग दिस मील, 5-course मील. एंड ये सब चीज़ें तो है जो कंट्री को स्पेशल बनाते हैं. टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स तो ठीक है, आप घूमोगे ही, बट ये सब जो चीज़ें, ये सब जो एक्सपीरियंसेस है, दिस वी विल रिमेंबर फॉर लाइफ टाइम, एंड वी आर जस्ट क्रिएटिंग नाइस मेमोरीज राइट नाउ.
This is another popular spot in Arashiyama. This is called Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. It has a pathway surrounded by bamboo trees, and it's a very scenic walk. Just walking a little ahead of Arashiyama station, you come to this bridge called Togetsu Bridge. Very scenic, and Arashiyama River follows across the entire road. The entire road has nice eateries, sweet dessert shops. They're so nice, where you can try matcha ice cream and have matcha coffee. अगर आप Arashiyama आ रहे हो, you can plan like your entire day around this place. You have the Arashiyama River, Sogenshi Pond, Tenryuji Temple, Nonomi Temple, so many other temples here which are very nice, shrines which are very beautiful. Everything is like nestled inside the forest. Especially the bamboo forest is so beautiful. This river, look behind, is so nice and scenic. Japan, all in all, is a food haven. But for non-vegetarians, for vegetarians there are limited options, but whatever we can grab, we're trying to make the most of it. The cuisine is amazing, it's so flavorful and tasty. We had this meal in the morning which was so nice. The matcha ice creams are so good and the coffee is so nice. So one fine place which you must come when you are here in Arashiyama near Togetsu Bridge is Arabica, and we are going to see that today. We are ending our day at Arashiyama. Personally, we loved this old town of Kyoto. Small houses, quaint lanes, very, very scenic, very beautiful landscape. Also, if you're coming to Arashiyama, make sure you come a little early. I think by 5:30, 6ish, most of the places shut. The temple's shut by 5 o'clock, the shrines. And you'll see the market also shutting around 6 o'clock. So come here before sunset, because after sunset things pretty much are closed here. When you're ending your day at Arashiyama, make sure you walk the Kimono Forest. It is right next to Arashiyama Randen Railway, and it is a beautiful walk with kimono lanterns. Good morning from
Kyoto! It's the second day here today, and today we are going to the most famous place in Kyoto, which is the Fushimi Inari Shrine.
We got off at the Fushimi Inari station, and it's a 4 minutes walk from the station. You take the Keihan line from wherever you are, or if you're near Kyoto, you take the Nara line and come to Inari station. A lot of people rent kimonos and wear it around the city. There's a rental available between 3,000 to 5,000 yen, where you get the entire set and get the hair and makeup done. So when you come to Fushimi Inari shrine, the shrine is in the main entrance itself. So you'll first visit the shrine, and then you have the Senbon Tori, which is the pathway of 1,000 Tori gates, the orange color gates, which is quite popular. Also do carry a light jacket because it does get very windy here. Mount Inari is at a height. The higher you go, the lesser crowd you'll get to see. So you know, if अगर आप pictures के लिए आ रहे हो तो या तो आप जल्दी आइए in the early morning, or you walk a little more towards Mount Inari. Right before the 1,000 vermilion gates, there is a Okumaru Ishi. Okumaru Ishi basically translates to heavy stone or light stone. जब आप यहाँ पे आते हो, you stand in front of the stones and make a wish and focus. After you make the wish, you try lifting the stone. अगर वो stone heavy है, then your wish will take time to come to you. And if it's lighter, then it will come to you easily. So why not try it and see if our wishes are hard to find, hard to get, or we'll get lucky with it.
Very light. Now we are on our way to Kiyomizu-dera Temple, which is a popular site and a temple here in Kyoto. It's very easy and convenient to travel here. You just need Google Maps on your phone. We took a city bus from the Kyoto station, and it's just a 10-minute walk from the bus stop.
We spent about an hour at Kiyomizu-dera. It was so stunning. And after that, we exited from the Sanenzeka side. So there are two entries to Kiyomizu-dera, and you can enter from one side and then exit from Sanenzeka. Once you exit from Sanenzeka, you'll find a huge flea market.
लाइन में इतने सारे फ्री टेस्टिंग है. Who doesn't like free food? They're like gummy bears.
White sesame, choco banana. I don't want white sesame. I'll try black sesame. We have come to Kyoto only to try the Japanese spice. Let's compare if this is higher than the Indian spice levels. Let me see if this is spicy enough. Very nice. I like how they add sesame to their food. That makes the food very tasty.
अच्छा. We also visited world's first tatami floored Starbucks, which is located inside a traditional Japanese house.
We are here again in a cultural Starbucks where you remove your shoes and you sit on the ground, on the floor, how the Japanese do. We are doing it the Japanese style. The last shrine for the day is Yasaka Shrine. The Yasaka Shrine is also at the end of Sanenzaka Street. Having a ramen experience and a really unique one. This is something that I planned for Kunal. I hope he likes it.
What an experience, man. Fire ramen खा के तो मज़ा ही आ गया. Thank you, Prachi. I loved it.
We are getting in the last leg of our trip and going to Osaka. From Kyoto to Osaka, we took a train called the Hankyu line. You can also take a JR line, but from the place where we were staying, this was the closest. It is about a 45-minute train from Kyoto to Osaka, costing you about 400 yen. You can travel with the luggage. It's very convenient because the metros have the elevators, escalators, so there's no carrying of the luggage. It's very, very fast, quick and affordable.